and I made phrases with this word and the prepositions. So that you learn the prepositions as well as the words. Okay. So the house, behind the house. The house is a masculine noun. So therefore, the genitive looks like this. So Kulav and Tehe. So Kulav and Tehe. Tai, Kulav and Tehe. So the house, behind the house. Okay. You already know this word. Anleapi, feminine noun. Okay, Anleapi, meaning bed. And Ritev na lepa. So na. These are slightly irregular genitives. That's why I included them as well. So that na for feminine nouns. And it's just because it was slender, it became broad. So Anleapi, Ritev na lepa. So the bed beside the bed. Stop. Ehaher, feminine noun. Ehaher. Natalie will know this one. Yes, that's right. Chair. So chair. Ehaher, feminine noun. And it looks like this with the definite article. So ehaher, that's nominative. Ritev na kahre, slightly different genitive again. So ritev na kahre. That's the genitive. So the chair beside the chair. Okay. Haher ritev na kahre. Ritev na kahre. Okay. Press, or sometimes pressa. Okay, so it was originally pressa, and then they dropped the A. So ritev frisch. So press, cupboard. It's a masculine noun.
Is that from English?
Yes, it's an English word. Yeah. So the cupboard beside the cupboard.
As in a linen press, Alison.
Yes, that's it. Yeah. Yeah. Press, ritev, frisch.
Yeah, we used to say that a lot when they used to talk about the press as like the cupboard.
Yes, that's right. So it is an English word. Press, ritev, frisch. Okay. Frisch. Yeah. The cupboard beside the cupboard. Okay.
I'm not familiar with pressa as cupboard.
I think is it
at all.
Yeah, I think it's the British thing.
I think so.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just Scots. Maybe it's not English.
Well, Natalie is familiar with it, so.
True. She might know Scots.
I think it's familiar with strange things.
It's probably used more in Scotland these days.
Yeah, no, my aunts used to say it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, chluasek, feminine noun. Mulach na chluaseke. This is a proper feminine genitive. That's how there is an I there and there is an E at the end. And there is na. So all three things are actually there. So chluasek and mulach na chluaseke. So chluasek means the pillow. Mulach means on top of, so on top of the pillow. So chluasek mulach na chluaseke.
Classic.
Yeah, it comes from the word for ear, because you put your ear on it. Chluas, yeah. The chluasek mulach na chluaseke. Okay, press itich. This is a genitive phrase of its own. So press itich. Press, we already had this. Itich is of the clothes. Yeah. The wardrobe. Okay, so uitach is a masculine noun. So press itich. A wardrobe. Okay. Now kurstenen. I just included it because it's a necessary thing in the house. It's plural actually. It's plural. And it's the curtains. It's a plural noun. The curtains. Yeah, kurstenen. It's an English word as well. Kurstenen. Okay. Nice. You already know this word. Andores. Masculine noun. So erhu and dorish. So it's pretty normal masculine noun genitives. Erhu and dorish. So behind the door behind the door. Okay, erhu and dorish. Okay. Okay, and skahen, masculine noun. Mochanev and skahen, very similar to the previous one. You know? So masculine genitive with just an I in it. Nothing happens here because you can't do anything here. So it says GD in there. So and skahen, Mochanev and skahen. So the mirror, in front of the mirror. So Mochanev means F. Mochanev and skahen. Mochanev can also mean opposite. There is another one that means right and front, like facing. Mochanev and skahen, the mirror, in front of the mirror. Okay. Next one. Another English word, and skelp. And skelp. It's feminine in Gaelic. Belov na skelpe. Okay.
What is it?
Shelf.
Ah,
Opposite the shelf.
I was trying to think of what English word sounded like that.
Shell. Opposite the shell. Yeah, or facing. Belov can also mean facing. Facing. Okay. Because it comes from Biel, and Biel is mouth. Okay.
Oh, yeah, so this is opposite.
Yeah.
Can
Okay.
Can you go back just for a second?
Okay, and scalp. Belov na scalp.
Thank you.
Right, next one. You know this one. And borscht. Masculine noun. Relative, a worst, irregular genitive. Okay. Relative, a worst. And borscht, relative, a worst. On the table. Beside the table. Masculine noun. Relative, a worst.
On board, we have a worst.
Yeah. So the table. Beside the table. Okay, next one. Another masculine noun. Ambala. Relative, avala. And bala, another English word. And bala, ritiva vala. Who can guess what it means?
I'm
Especially
struggling.
ritiva vala.
A wall.
Yeah, that's it.
What is it?
Yeah,
Wall.
wall. The wall beside the wall.
Oh,
Okay. Okay, next one. You know this one, and it's a typical feminine noun. An unyak,
Window.
unyak, window, relative na unike. So because it starts with a vowel, we need the H. And so relative na unike. Unyak, relative na unike. Okay. So window beside the window. Oops, I could do this. So, and then you create na hunike. Okay. Next one. Okay, we're on to rooms now. They are genitive phrases as it is because it's the room of. Okay. First one is Shomer Katan. So Shomer Katan.
Bedroom.
Bedroom?
Bedroom. Yeah. So a room for sleep. A room of sleep. Shomer comes from chamber actually.
ah,
So it's an English word, but
it's probably
very grand.
French.
huh?
It's
French.
probably from French. Chambre.
Yeah.
Oh, chambre. Yes, of course.
Okay, Shomer cattle. These days people do use room as well, but that's not Gaelic. So Gaelic original one was Shomer.
Mhm.
Yeah. So Shomer cattle, bedroom. Okay. Shomer inlet. Shomer inlet. So, okay, bathroom. So inlet, this word, inlet without the genitive, it actually means the act of bathing. So, and of washing yourself. So, shower inlet is bathroom. Okay, next one. Shower see. Shower see. Okay.
Sitting room.
Shower see, sitting room, yeah, or lounge. Lounge. Shower see. Okay, next one. Shower B. Shower B.
Dining room.
Dining room. Yeah,
Dining.
dining room. So a egg. Big egg. So the room of food. The dining room. Okay. Okay, this is it's not like I just included it. It's not genitive, but I included it just so you know. Side deck, toilet. You have to know this. This is the most important room in the house.
Really?
Of course, if you don't have it, you're stuck.
Really?
Okay, side deck. Side deck is toilet. Yeah. Okay, next one is
Small
it's
house.
not a room, but it is a genitive phrase. Paperton.
Uh-huh.
Well, the people who attend
Toilet
the
paper.
conversation they know what that means. Paperton. Okay.
Toilet paper?
Yeah.
Yes. Well, ton
Ton.
means bottom. So, and it's a masculine noun. So that's genitive. Paperton.